The world is full of amazing animals, each with its own unique story and journey. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, nature is a tapestry of life, constantly evolving and adapting. Some animals change a lot as they grow, undergoing remarkable transformations that are both fascinating and awe-inspiring. This change is called metamorphosis, a process where an animal undergoes a complete transformation in its form and structure. Frogs are a wonderful example of this. They start their lives in water and end up on land, showcasing one of nature's most incredible journeys. They change from tiny eggs into hopping adults, going through several stages of development along the way. Let's explore the incredible journey of a frog from egg to adult. This journey is filled with challenges and changes, each stage more fascinating than the last. This is a story of change and adaptation, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life on Earth. It is a journey that shows us the power of nature, the beauty of transformation, and the endless possibilities of life. We will see how a tiny egg in water becomes a creature that can live on land, a true marvel of nature's design and adaptability. Our story begins in a pond. A female frog lays many jelly-like eggs. These eggs are usually laid in a clump. The jelly protects the eggs. It also helps them to stick together and to plants in the water. The eggs are very small. Inside each egg, a tiny tadpole is growing. It will be some time before the tadpoles hatch. The jelly provides everything they need to grow. After about a week or two, the eggs hatch. Out come the tadpoles. They look more like fish than frogs. Tadpoles have gills. Gills allow them to breathe underwater. They swim around in the pond, looking for food. Tadpoles eat plants and algae in the pond. They grow bigger and stronger every day. Their bodies are changing all the time. Soon something amazing will happen. Section 4. Growing legs and losing tails. This fascinating process is a crucial part of a tadpole's journey to becoming a frog. The tadpoles start to grow legs. At first, tiny buds appear at the back of their bodies. Their back legs appear first. These legs will help them swim more efficiently and prepare them for life on land. Then their front legs start to grow. This development is essential for their transformation into frogs. This is a very important stage. The tadpoles are gradually becoming more mobile and agile. The tadpoles are becoming more frog-like. Their bodies are adapting to their new environment. As their legs grow, their tails start to shrink. This is because they no longer need their tails for swimming. The tadpoles are not just changing their shape, their internal organs are also undergoing significant changes. They're also changing how they breathe. This is a critical adaptation for their survival. They start to grow lungs. These lungs will eventually replace their gills. Lungs allow them to breathe air, just like we do. This marks the final step in their transformation from tadpoles to frogs. Section 5. From water to land. This is the story of a remarkable journey, a transformation that takes place in the life of a frog. It all begins in the water, where the frog starts its life as a tiny egg. Finally, the big day arrives. After weeks of growth and change, the tadpole undergoes a dramatic metamorphosis. It starts to develop legs and its tail begins to shrink. The tadpole has become a froglet. This is a crucial stage in its life as it transitions from an aquatic environment to a terrestrial one. A froglet is a young frog. It is now equipped with legs for hopping and lungs for breathing air. This adaptation is essential for its survival on land. It has lost its tail. The tail, once crucial for swimming, is no longer needed. The froglet's body is now perfectly suited for life on land. It can breathe air with its lungs. This is a significant change from its earlier life stage, where it relied on gills to extract oxygen from water. It is ready to leave the pond and live on land. This marks the beginning of a new chapter in its life, filled with new challenges and opportunities. The young frog will spend the rest of its life on land. It will explore its new environment, finding food and shelter. It will hop around, catch insects, and maybe even lay its own eggs one day. This is the cycle of life, a continuous journey of growth and change. The cycle of metamorphosis will begin again. Each new generation will embark on this incredible journey, from water to land, continuing the legacy of their ancestors.